Thinking about a full electrical panel replacement? Here's what to budget for. The average cost to upgrade from a 100 amp to a 200 amp panel ranges from $1,500 to $3,000, while larger 400 amp systems can reach $5,000. Labor costs typically add another $500 to $1,500. And don't forget permits, inspections, or possible wiring upgrades, which can add $200 to $500. Choosing the right panel size is key. Consider your home's current and future electrical needs. Always hire a licensed electrician to ensure safety and code compliance. With careful planning, you'll keep your home safe and ready for modern electrical demands.